What's going on, everybody? Brent Simmons here with Restoration Roofing. So today I'm actually installing some RainDrop gutter guards at a customer's house here in Collierville, Tennessee. But I'm doing something different just because I wanted to show the world how versatile this gutter guard actually is. So typically when we install these gutter guards, we actually slide this top section underneath the shingles. Now I've checked with Atlas, which is the manufacturer of roof that we install. They have no problem with us doing that. When this slides up underneath the starter strip, there's no issues whatsoever with it voiding a warranty or anything like that. But I have seen some other people on YouTube express concerns about the warranty, saying it voids warranty, this, that, and the other. Well, there's a workaround with RainDrop, and this is why I'm doing it this way. So the second mounting method that they say you can do is actually use a PVC pipe. So you can see down here in the gutter, I actually have a 1/2 inch PVC pipe that's resting on the back side of the hangers here. Now, you can go up to 3/4 inch, but with this roof, this is actually a double layer roof, and we don't have a lot of room to work because that's the high side there. You can see I've already done about 4 pieces and it's looking great, but I didn't have a lot of space to put that 3/4 inch PVC. So we're gonna use 1/2 inch down here, and I might switch to 3/4 inch down there where the gutter falls. But either way, what's great about this is if there's any question or there's any manufacturers out there that void warranties for any type of foreign object going underneath the starter strip, this is how you would want to mount the gutter guards. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Obviously, I've got the PVC set here. It's running up underneath these pieces. You can see we've already got some good fall here, but all you gotta do, if I can find it right here, is take a hook blade. Now you have 2 different areas you can cut. So typically for 6-inch gutters, you're gonna cut here. But with the space that I have here, I'm very limited. I'm gonna cut right here at this bend of the flange. So it's super easy. Once you get it started, you carefully run your knife there and you'll see it just cuts. You're gonna throw away that back end. And then what you wanna do next is actually get it on top of that PVC. So I am lifting the shingle slightly, but once it goes back down, you can see it's just resting on top of the PVC pipe. Again, with any RainDrop, and it installs the same way, you have these little temperature notches down here. You wanna line those up. It's about 45 degrees out right now. There we are, we're perfectly lined up. The PVC's pushed back, so we're gonna put our screws in. Another thing that's real important with any type of RainDrop installation is leave the last screw out of the last one that you installed, because these do lock in together. If you were to put a screw there, you might not have enough room to actually slide them in. They might not slide underneath one another easily, so I always leave that one out until the next piece is in, and then we put our screws in. So this first one is going to go here on the last piece that we installed. You don't want to over tighten these. Let me line it up again. There we go. Then I'm going to screw down the piece I just put in. So leave some room. These will expand and contract in different temperatures. And then I want to go right here to the middle and put another screw. Each piece only requires 3 screws. So you want to go right, middle, and left. The reason there's other screw holes is because you will have certain, when you come to an end cap, you might have to cut a piece off. So you'd be using these 2 holes as opposed to the whole thing. Now you can see this looks really nice. It actually looks like a standard installation. Once it's up here, you can't see the PVC pipe whatsoever, but the PVC pipe does a great job supporting the gutter guard itself. So it helps it to maintain that slight pitch that you need to help the debris blow off once it gets on top of it. Okay, so we're all done with the RainDrop install using the PVC pipes. Again, it was still very easy, just like sliding it underneath the shingle. This is just 2 more steps. You just cut the flange to fit your gutter size and also place the PVC pipe. I don't have any complaints. It works really well, especially if you have a metal roof. Remember, this is the best way to install RainDrop gutter guards if you have a metal roof. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this informative.